Hey, what's up guys? Thanks so much for checking out the video. It is a really cold day in Arkansas. We just got a crazy snow and ice storm like 2 weeks apart. It's pretty weird for Arkansas. But anyway, today I want to talk about air and the different variations of air kind of setups and systems I've used. And I've finally found the most efficient and best way to air up and air down. Yeah, the link down below is going to take you to the kit I have, the Faster Flate Manifold kit. And I also have their 4-way hose as well, so I'll show you that. So I guess we'll start kind of in the back. It's actually on the side. Actually, let's just do the side real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So it's locked. It's locked. I gotta unlock it. All right, so this is what we're talking about. So like I mentioned earlier about being efficient and stuff, you guys know I like to have my equipment easily accessible and stuff. So on the side of the camper, all you have to do to air up is open the side of the camper, get your hoses and put one right here, go over to the other side where I have another air chuck and put the other hose there. So it is super easy. So this whole Faster Flate kit basically is what they make. They assemble this whole thing. So it's got a pressure gauge on it. It's got a chuck here with a lever so you can deflate or inflate. You can just move this lever to do that. And another chuck over here. And what I added and kind of worked with him on is this little L bracket. And I'll open the back so you can see what I'm talking about in a minute. But this L bracket mounts to the little factory Tacoma bed rail. So that's pretty cool. And then right here, if you go over here, I added this little piece of square aluminum, and I brought up the wiring from my compressor, which is in here, to here. So when I turn this on, it's easy. I don't have to go dig for my compressor on and off. Everything is literally right here. So let's go. Let me open the swing out, and maybe you can get a better view and look back here what I'm talking about. But man, it's just made like getting to stuff so easy. So right in there, you can kind of see how it's mounted. It's mounted on that little factory track. And then I have an air line. That big one is an air line running down through the deck. And then this, the line next to it is the power. So if you stay right there, I'll show you the compressor. So here's a compressor. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but it's the Viair 400P automatic. So the automatic one like shuts off when it's not being in use, like if you're going from tire to tire, which is pretty nice. So basically I put this on a 90-degree fitting and ran the air from there to this. So, and then I have all these different air splitters right here. And then if you see like kind of this line right here, here it is, coming out here, it goes all the way over there, and there's an air chuck over there next to the propane. So basically with the combo of a camper shell or, you know, a bed or whatever, you can get out of your truck, open this door, you know, again, put the air chuck there, other side air chuck. So you're not having to like open the swing out and do all that stuff. So yeah, basically on that on-off switch on the compressor, all I did was extend the wires up to here, and I had an old switch laying around, so just kind of wired that up, and it is just so clean and easy. I love it. So let me show you real quick the hose that it comes with, or that you can buy separate, and kind of show you how it all works. So I keep my hoses and stuff over here. This is like my, I don't know if you can see in there, that's like my quick access gear thing. I don't know. I got like my shower hose, air tools, lantern, gloves, all kinds of quick access stuff here. But anyway, this is the kit. We can go back here and I'll show you. So this is just a 4-way tire kit from Faster Flate, or hose kit. So what's cool is these are two separate hoses, if I can get them all. Let's see. So yeah, these are two separate, and obviously, you know, if you didn't piece it together, this one goes over there on that chuck, this one goes over there on that chuck. So you're still doing all 4 tires at once, but having one hose that's 2 different ends versus one hose that has 4 different ends, it's so much easier to, you know, wind back up and keep it neat, because the 4-way deflate was like super all over the place and hard to manage. But this is what this is. And then the coolest thing about this is these little fittings. I've actually bought these on Amazon for my inflate when I used to have it, but basically it locks onto your valve stem. So you put it on the valve stem and then you press up, and it's just this nice lock, and there's no like funky lever or anything in the way from the bead on your rim. So that's super easy. And like, we'll go over here and same thing. It's locked again. We'll go over here on this side. All right, so I got one side. So literally just put your chuck in like that, and then you'll do the same thing on the other side, and then you'll just run. There's like a short and a long to be the front and the back. So obviously they'll put the short one down here on the valve stem. And if you want to look at what that looks like, I'll put this one down here just to demonstrate. I'm not going to air up the tires, guys. There's so many like tests and stuff on this this thing, so I'm not really going to do a time test or anything like that. That's really a compressor video. But yeah, this just goes. All right, so that's basically like how to attach it to the tires. It's super easy. What's cool is you get this little pressure gauge right here, and I actually, just for my setup, I need to get a little extension and bring it up higher because I can't really look down to see it. But yeah, just turn it on and you just know all the pressure for all 4 tires, which is super cool. So yeah, just detaches like that, and then you just coil these bad boys up and put it back wherever you had it. So in my case, I just do this right here and use this little bungee little wrap it thing, and that's really about it. So then I'll just take this and put it back in the truck. So really, guys, I think that's about it. There's not a lot more to explain, honestly, but just keep in mind that this little L bracket is something kind of new, and I don't know if he's actually going to, you know, produce these for Tacomas or whatnot. But we kind of went back and forth and figured out a cool solution for that. So again, kind of the main premise, if you actually run your power up there, the main premise is just to keep everything contained in one little spot, so you can access everything super nice and easy. But yeah, you can, you know, you don't have to have a Tacoma to do this. You can do anything. You can, wherever you have a spot, I guess you could put that air chuck and run your airline. So the kit comes with, you know, different links. Basically, you just cut it and zip tie it where you see fit. So yeah, guys, that's really about it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, just please put them in the comments, or check out Faster Flate's website. I'll put that in the description too. So thanks, guys. Appreciate it, and have a good day.